Hi everyone! This is Brian James Atakwan from DPE 21. For today's video, we're going to talk about what is Bloom's taxonomy and its differences. Let's go! Bloom's taxonomy is a set of three hierarchical models used to classify education learning's objectives into levels of complexity and specificity. Thank you. There are 6 major categories of Bloom's taxonomy. These are knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Thank you. In the revised taxonomy, evaluation is no longer the highest level of pyramid, while the new category, rating, is at the top. I'll give you a picture that shows revised taxonomy. This is my example on how to create a test questions. Is the e-learning test of the primary benefits associated with creating tests based upon this model is that the test will not be unnecessarily difficult for the e-learners and are more effective in assessing the e-learners' knowledge of the subject matter, not to mention that they are easier to correct and to modify. Thank you.